Hello guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the Metronome Ableton Live. So to do this is pretty simple. So here in your Ableton, right here, Ableton Live, all you have to do is go to your top left corner and locate the metronome ticker here. So it's here in the top left corner, just press it right here and it will start. So you can change its settings right here to 1 bar, 2 bars, or 4 bars if you want its count in. So just drop down right there, and you can check also if its rhythm is 1 bar, 1.5, or 1 ease. You can change it right here. So you can also enable only while recording, or you can do so if you don't want to. So here there's beside it there's other options for 2 bars, 1 bar, and 8 bars. So you can select that too. So when you press your space bar and you continue, it's gonna play like that. So there you go. That is how you use the metronome here in Ableton Live. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.